Hey guys, how to reset Messenger PIN or PIN. So go ahead and open up your Messenger. Okay, make sure that you update it to the latest version. Now go ahead and click the three bars at the bottom right now after the update. Let me cancel this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna go ahead to the settings under your profile. And here in the first section you can see privacy and safety. Press it. After you proceed to the privacy and safety, you're gonna see security. Move along to the end-to-end encrypted chat. And then the first option right here, message storage. Just go ahead and press it. And within the message storage, you can see reset PIN or reset PIN. Go ahead and create your own PIN or enter your old PIN and then add your new one. From there, you can now reset the PIN. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow the prompts. See you.